Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to fix can't search on TikTok. So first of all, let's open TikTok application on our mobile devices. Now if you're signed in to your account, simply tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner, then go to settings and privacy. Now from here, scroll down below, and if you tap on the option of logout, you will be logged out of your account. Now after that, try to log in to your account again and see if your problem has been fixed. If this step does not work, just open settings on your phone and then go to the option of general. From here, go to the option of iPhone storage. Now from here, scroll down below and tap on TikTok application. Now over here, tap on offload app. Now tap on offload app again. So by doing this step, you will be able to clear cache from the application. Then after some time, tap on reinstall app. Then just wait for some time until your TikTok app is being reinstalled. Then if you again open your application, your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.